The world we live in is made up of millions of different substances. However, all of these substances are made up of fundamental material called elements. An element is a substance which cannot be split into two or more simple substances by chemical means. Elements are made up of particles. The particles can be an atom, molecule, or ions. Atoms of a particular element are identical to each other but different from all other elements. An atom is the smallest possible particle of an element that can take part in a chemical change. Few elements in your periodic table are aluminium with the symbol of Al, whereas the A or the first letter should be capital and the second must be small. Aluminium is a solid. There are some gases such as nitrogen with the symbol of N, oxygen with the symbol of O, and hydrogen with the symbol of H. There are some liquids in your periodic table. The elements are mercury with the symbol of Hg, bromine with the symbol of Br. There are 92 naturally occurring elements and each have been given a chemical symbol. The most common elements in the air are nitrogen 78% and oxygen 21%. About nitrogen I have spoken in my previous video. Watch it if you have not watched yet. In the Earth's crust, the most common is oxygen 46.6%, then silicon, aluminium, iron, and calcium. Together, these make up over 90% of Earth's crust. When atoms join together, they form molecules. A molecule is the smallest particle of a compound and is made up of groups of atoms. A compound is a pure substance which contains only one type of molecule made up of atoms of more than one element. To show the atom present in a molecule of a compound, we use its chemical formula. For suppose, chemical formula of water is H2O. This means that a molecule of water contains three atoms in it, two of which are hydrogen and one oxygen. Carbon dioxide gas CO2 has molecules which contain one carbon atom and two oxygen atoms. There are also many elements which consist of molecules. For example, oxygen gas O2 is made up of molecules containing two oxygen atoms joined together. It is the same for molecules of chlorine gas, nitrogen gas, and hydrogen gas. All of these molecules are said to be diatomic. A compound is formed when two or more different elements are chemically combined together. Here's a quick revision. An element is a pure substance which cannot be split into two simpler substances. The smallest particle of element are called atoms. Atoms are extremely small in size. An atom of an element is represented by its chemical symbol. A compound is a pure substance containing two or more different elements chemically combined together. The smallest particles of compound are called molecules. Molecules are group of atom. The atom in a molecule are shown by its chemical formula. A mixture is not a pure substance as it contains mixtures of atoms and or molecules which are not chemically combined. For suppose, their best examples are air is a mixture of gases. It contains mainly nitrogen and oxygen with small amounts of inert gases like argon and helium, traces of carbon dioxide, gas and water vapors. Such as solutions like fizzy drinks are mixture of water, colorings, alloys are mixture of metals. Seawater is a mixture of dissolved solid and water. The main dissolved water is common salt. The differences between mixtures and compounds are mixture is a component substances can be separated by physical means while in compound constituent elements cannot be separated by physical means. In a mixture, its physical properties like color, density, etc. are an average of those of the substances in it, while in compound, its physical properties are individual and not the result of its element. In a mixture, normally little or no energy like heat, light, sound, etc. is given out or taken in when a mixture is formed. while in compound, energy is usually given out or occasionally taken in when a compound is formed. A mixture's composition can vary, a compound's composition cannot vary. Constituent elements are present in a fixed proportion by mass. The chemical properties of mixture are the result of the substances in it, while in compound its chemical properties are quite different from those of its element.